Hey guys, so I'm going to show you more details. If you've been watching my videos, I'm going to Portugal now for 10 days, but I'm going to show you what I take on every trip that I take. Every single trip, there's some essentials that I believe are necessary in case, for my personal use, and also some things that I take in case something were to happen. So with that said, this is everything that I take inside my backpack, and I call it Mi Mochilita, which, by the way, if you watch one of my other videos, all the clothes for this 10 days is already there. Everything's packed for there. So I always take this jacket. This jacket, it fits right here on the side. I put it here on the side of my backpack, my mochilita. Um, and this has a holder, and I usually put it here, tighten it down, and it goes right there just like that, which I'll put it there right before I leave on this trip. So that goes there. It's happened before where I get cold and I need a jacket. I always take my reading glasses, sunglasses. I found this one, newbie it's called. I found this, watch what this is. This is an iron. I found this iron on Amazon. Okay, which I believe is so freaking cool. I love it. I've used it a couple times already. It works great. It has this little pad. Okay, you connect it to, power whatever country you're in. And look at this. Okay. And you can iron whatever clothes you taking inside your mochilita, so that way if something gets wrinkled or whatever, you have a little emergency iron in case you're staying somewhere. Even comes with a little water bottle. So that always goes inside there. I always take repellent for mosquitoes, obviously toothpaste and a toothbrush, little emergency kit. This one has 80 different pieces. It's approved by TSA, so I love it. My perfume, one of them, this one, make sure that if you take perfume or any liquid is less than 100 milliliters, so that way you can take it on the plane. This right here is some of the electronics that I take. These are current plugs. These are electric plugs for different currents in different countries. Sore throat. This is to you can cut your hair, or you can shave even with this. So I take that. This is for back pain. If you ever happen to have back pain, some lip cream. I also take the clippers, sunscreen. My good friend Liz gave me. This is from her company. So here, deodorant, soap, shampoo. That's for the brushing teeth and whatever. Shaving. I don't take shaving cream because usually I use whatever is available at the hotel or places that I go, even soap. And over here I take some hair gel, my contacts. Inside this folder, I'm not going to show you these details, but inside this folder I take these two things right here, and I'm not. Those two things are, one is I always take the written itinerary of the trips that I'm going to. So on this trip, as an example, I'm leaving to Portugal from Miami, so I take everything needed for that trip. I take some. I'm going to Europe, so I'm taking some cash euros. This is a health insurance. This covers $250,000 of medical bills, and it's only 36 bucks for the trip for the 10 days, so it's not bad at all. This is a battery charger for my phone. You can charge 5 to 6 times your phone. So as I'm going throughout the day, by the way, all this that you see here fits inside this little pouch that I carry with me all the time. So This is for the phone on the cars if I rent a car, which in this case I am. This is so I can charge my phone at different locations. This is my airplane, so I can watch movies and listen to music on the airplane. AirPods. This is my wallet, by the way. I love this little wallet. You can add, this is an actual wallet. You can add an air tag. So I lost my wallet 2 days ago and I couldn't find it, and come to activate the air tag, and I found it in my car. So passport, obviously, and this is the cable to connect the phone charger. So with that said, that all that you see there is what I put inside my bag, just to be on the safe side and make sure that I have everything that I need. I'm gonna put all this inside, and then I'm gonna show you guys how this actually is gonna work when it's done.